Greetings from Oregon. This is Teo Wences doing a quick recording of this beautiful bridge in Falls Creek. And the beautiful thing about this is the creek goes under this beautiful bridge, gently rolling waters, and beautiful setting behind. Look at this gorgeous bridge. An amazing beauty that we have to enjoy here in Oregon. More water and more to the bridge. If you are in the area, come and visit this beautiful monument. This is what they used to have the horses, and now we are looking at the rest of the area. This is where this bridge faces a beautiful part of Oregon. And here is the signs where it leads you. So in case you are in this area, Jasper, Lowell, Fall Creek, go back and we will end with this wonderful setting.